Aloha, everyone. This is Tutu at Aloha Food Forest. And here's our cute little laundry outlet now. I've shown videos on the creating of it. And look how cute it is. It's like a little pond. And we have a little fountain that runs on solar power. And it seems to be turning itself into a little pond, which is very exciting and fun. And the plants, like if you look in this area, it's a dry area. And you can see how the plants are growing around this little pond. And I'm so excited that we have a little pond. And it's coming right from the laundry water, which is great. And we found a True Earth laundry detergent that is working very well. It's just little dehydrated slips of almost like paper that you put in the wash. And I'm not going to say our clothes are the cleanest clothes you'll ever see, but they're good enough. And so that's what we use for water for this pond. And now it's bringing life to this area. So it's really fun. So I wanted to share that. And that is also a swale. And today, it just happens to be Easter Sunday, April 17th, 2022. So we wish you all a happy and beautiful day and send you lots of love. And my message of wisdom is that all plants are created uniquely for different purposes, and that all plants should be allowed. We should not be having our governments telling us which plants we cannot have. And I think especially medicinal plants like cannabis, they should not be telling us whether or not we could grow that, ever. And even cocaine, which is where they get all the novocaines and things. So, we're going for freedom, people. Freedom. And food forests are the gardens of the future. See your future with a food forest. Okay, aloha.